Welcome back to Tech eGadget, where we explore the best in smart living, home upgrades, and gadgets that elevate your everyday life. In today's video, we're shifting gears to the world of interior design and taking a closer look at the Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted single bathroom vanity with an engineered stone top. If your bathroom needs a modern refresh or you're working with limited space, this vanity might be exactly what you need. We'll break down the design, features, user experience, and more so, you can decide if it fits your home and lifestyle. The Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted vanity is designed with both functionality and style in mind. It is compact enough to fit into small bathrooms while still delivering a high-end appearance. The engineered stone top comes in a beautiful arabescado finish that adds a sleek, polished look. Its wall-mounted design opens up floor space, which makes any bathroom feel more spacious and modern. Whether you are doing a full remodel or just want to upgrade your vanity, this piece brings sophistication and efficiency into one clean package. The design of this vanity blends rustic character with contemporary elements. The arabescado stone top mimics the look of high-end marble, offering subtle veining and a bright, clean tone that fits a wide range of interiors. The base, with its warm wood finish, adds natural texture and depth. One of the standout features is the slatted detailing combined with the soft curve design, which creates a unique profile that feels custom and stylish. It is a design that works well in minimalist, modern, or transitional bathrooms. This vanity features an Undermount ceramic sink that sits perfectly in the center of the stone countertop. The result is a seamless, clean look with no raised edges, making it easier to wipe down and maintain. The central sink placement allows balanced counter space on either side, giving you room for toiletries and accessories. The engineered stone top is not just beautiful, but also practical, resisting moisture and stains to keep your bathroom looking fresh with minimal upkeep. When it comes to storage, the Liljan vanity is designed to be both compact and smart. It includes one full extension dovetail drawer equipped with soft close glides, which ensures smooth and quiet operation every time. There is also a convenient flip-down tray at the top that is ideal for storing smaller items like toothbrushes or razors. The dovetail construction of the drawer provides added durability, showing attention to quality and craftsmanship. It is built to withstand regular use while keeping your bathroom essentials neatly organized. One of the major advantages of this vanity is that it arrives fully assembled. This makes installation easier and less time-consuming. Included in the package are the mounting bracket, cabinet handles, and the ceramic sink. However, some components are not included, such as the P-trap, faucet, mirror, drain assembly, and backsplash. This gives you flexibility to customize the rest of your setup according to your personal taste, though it is something to keep in mind during your planning and budgeting. In terms of daily use, the Liljan vanity is very user-friendly. Its height and size work well for most adults, and the centered sink keeps things symmetrical and convenient. The soft close drawer glides feel premium and prevent slamming, which is great for quiet households. The wall-mounted design makes cleaning the floor underneath simple, improving overall hygiene in your bathroom. Whether you're doing a quick face wash or prepping for the day, the functionality holds up nicely. While the vanity delivers in many ways, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Since items like the faucet and drain assembly are not included, you'll need to make additional purchases to complete the setup. The storage space, while cleverly designed, may be limited for users with larger storage needs. Also, because this is a wall-mounted unit, installation requires solid anchoring into wall studs, which might be a challenge for those without experience. If you're not handy with tools, you may need professional installation. Let's take a moment to hear what actual users are saying. One excited customer wrote, "In love, just get it. Don't think, just get it. Get your measurements and place your order." Another user commented, "Fantastic, looks great, makes the space." These reviews highlight the satisfaction that buyers are experiencing, especially when it comes to appearance and space-saving design. The feedback reinforces the idea that this vanity brings both style and functionality to the table. From a value perspective, the Liljan vanity punches above its weight. The combination of a high-end engineered stone top, ceramic sink, and dovetail drawer construction makes it feel more luxurious than its price tag suggests. The fully assembled delivery is another bonus that adds convenience and reduces setup headaches. For homeowners looking to upgrade a bathroom without overspending, this vanity offers an excellent blend of quality, design, and practicality. This vanity is best suited for powder rooms, guest bathrooms, or compact master baths, where space is tight and style is important. It is ideal for those who want a refined look without sacrificing functionality. With its thoughtful design, solid build, and modern features, the Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted vanity proves to be a smart addition to any home renovation project. If you are looking for a bathroom fixture that combines beauty, utility, and ease of installation, this one is definitely worth considering. That brings us to the end of our review of the Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted single bathroom vanity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech eGadget for more reviews on stylish home upgrades and smart living solutions. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this vanity, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.